Hey y'all, hey, come spend the day with me inside of my brain. So this video was initially supposed to be like my meal prep video. However, my brain said that we need to be doing other things in the middle of us juicing. So I was like, you know what? Why not show y'all the other things that my brain felt like we should be doing? Now, luckily for y'all, my brain decided to stay in the kitchen area only. But usually any other day, I would have been literally all over the place. I guess because I had a lot to do in the kitchen and I was really trying to get it done. That's the only reason my brain decided that we would stay in the kitchen today. However, there was some points in this that I was in the living room laying on the couch, which is something that I usually do more often because I don't know, like I'll be in the middle of doing something and then I'll be like, you know what, I need to take a break. So a break is what I take, honey. Nonetheless, after my breaks, I usually do get back up and do other things. And I'm really surprised that I didn't get up and do something else because I did have my eyes on something else. But I was like, you know what? I got to get this meal prep done. So let me get back in the kitchen and finish everything that I need to do in the kitchen. So we have a couple of clips of me making meals. We got a couple of clips of me cleaning, doing the dishes, juicing, then doing my meal prep. Girl, it's just so much going on in this video. It's so much going on. And I want to be very clear. I did not record this video out of order. I did not record the video and then separate it. Like everything that y'all see is literally in the way that it was recorded. It is literally, I'm showing y'all everything in the exact order that I recorded it. There was like not no stopping and removing. There was not no editing. I did take out a lot of stuff because this video was like 2.5 hours long. But other than that, everything is in the exact order in which it was done, in the exact order in which it was filmed. I had a really hard time cutting that pizza. That's why I took a break and moved on. But I will return back to that pizza. But in the meantime, I just want to say, y'all, this is legit how my brain works every single day. Which is why I really cannot get content out the way that I want to because the stuff would be very unesthetically pleasing. Hell, it might even like mess up your brain chemistry trying to figure out what I got going on, what I'm doing, and why I'm not doing what you want me to do when you want me to do it at that time. Like, I know that it's a couple of orange peels on the floor throughout this video, and I'm sure somebody's going to be watching this video like, girl, pick up that damn orange peel. But guess what? My brain will get to it whenever we get to it, okay? Okay, look at it. Look at it. It's back there. It's grinding my gears. But guess what? We're going to get to it eventually. And for some strange reason, y'all, whenever I'm cleaning up, I have to make a mess in order for me to clean up. I don't know why my brain works that way. It's just like the messier, the cleaner it'll be at the end. I don't know. Y'all tell me, am I making sense? Am I making sense? I don't think I'm making sense. But either way it go, like, I don't know, y'all, but I will say this. I did get that counter cleaned. Now, I know I told y'all when I first started, like, taking my content seriously that y'all would never see me washing dishes. So this is rare for y'all, okay? Because y'all know I would never wash dishes on camera, but I just needed y'all to see, like, how my day goes and what it consists of and like how my brain works, because if I didn't show y'all, nobody would believe me. And I really hope that my brain is relatable, because if it's not, I'm gonna be so traumatized if I post this video and y'all have no idea what's going on. It was really a few times throughout this video that I really thought about just going to the bathroom and starting on my hair, and then I sat down and was like, let me just put it in a ponytail and figure it out. Honestly, y'all, the whole time I was editing this video, I was judging my body. Don't judge me, don't judge me, don't judge me. Like, I never really realized how big body I was at the top. Like, I know I be telling y'all I'm bad built, but I don't be realizing until I see like videos of like me doing like full body videos, and I be like, girl, you is really bad built. You is built like a bell pepper on sticks, bitch. A bell pepper on sticks. I really don't know if I did this overnight oats right, but we'll figure it out in the morning whenever I'm eating them overnight oats. I'll come and give y'all a video of that. I don't know. Y'all tell me, what do y'all think? Should I have done the overnight oats differently? I don't know. By the way, we didn't even end up using those spoons because, well, they didn't even work. Then here I go about to make a salad, and I got distracted from doing the salad and decided, let me go ahead and make this rice now. So that's what I did. And then when I went back to make the salad, y'all, the camera ran out of storage. So I just sat down and watched the movie. Love y'all. Bye.